Got the first of the three downtown Deco buildings done. It's on the sidewalk I had used for a previous building, so it needs to be adjusted. But I wanted to show it to you all. And he had I guess it was like a cutout for fast loans. I could not get it to cut out properly with all the letters, so I used some letters that you use like a stylus and you rub it down onto the building. So I don't think it looks too awfully bad. And then some of the building, the signs on the building. This is the pawn shop here. And he had this sign in the front, and I preferred it on the side because this is the main street. Let me move this out of the way real quick. Then the second one is Archie's Place. It's a bar, and he's got a little bit of a, I have to move around, bar sign. The N-scale people will be able to see it. And then the next place is a tattoo parlor. And then we have Bukowski Liquor on the end. And then some more signs, etc. on the side. And you can see the roof. I think it looks fairly good. I did use Eileen's tacky glue to glue the building together. Had a little bit of trouble with this last chimney, and it kept coming off. Probably because I used sandpaper for the roof. So it took a few times to get it glued down. The canopies, this is held, well, it's glued on, but then the wires to pretend it's being held are wire. So left over from some of the Just Plug system hookup wire that I had, some extra. Same thing with the canopy over the tattoo parlor door. And then the last one, those are metal that were included in the kit. So that's kind of what it looks like. And like I said, I like the pawn sign on the side there since it's on the main road. I have to be careful where I grab. So I'll turn it around so you can kind of see the back. Yes, it's got some gaps here and there, but I'm not worried about them. And it's got a couple of signs on the back. That's a beer sign for this Robin Hood beer. And then there's a circus sign there. So I just broke open the second box for whether or not I put that building here. I'm not sure. It just depends on sizing. And I may adjust the road, then I can get a little bit more here. So, but anyway, that's kind of where it is right now. And that is the first kit. So, but anyway, I'll get on with the second kit, and then we'll bring it back and show you what goes here, if it fits or not. I'm not sure. It's about it's just a little under 3 inches, which I think I got there. So, but like I said, I have to do some adjustments to the sidewalk anyway. But anyway, that's where we stand. And my DCC system probably won't be back from NCE until early next month. So, but anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.